A catalytic converter is one of those car parts that people barely even think about until it's gone. It looks like a fat metal cylinder under your ride, but swap it out and you're staring at repair bills ranging anywhere from $800 to $2,500. Here's the pain. The main job of a catalytic converter is to filter out toxic gases from your exhaust. Without it, your car sounds like a lawnmower at a monster truck rally, produces way more pollution, and probably fails an emissions test within seconds. You know that check engine light you love to ignore? If your catalytic converter gets clogged or stolen, that sucker will light up like a Christmas tree. Seriously, ignoring exhaust issues is a fast track to more expensive engine repairs. Getting one replaced feels like paying rent for a chunk of metal you'll never see or touch. Most people don't know. Precious metals inside, like platinum, palladium, and rhodium, are worth more per ounce than gold. No wonder thieves are obsessed. If you ever wake up to your car rumbling louder than a Harley, don't panic. You're not suddenly auditioning for Fast and Furious Portland. You've probably just joined the not-so-exclusive club of catalytic converter theft victims. It's a thing now, with over 52,000 cases reported last year in the U.S. alone. Wild. What's more, replacing a stolen converter isn't just the cost of the part. You could also be looking at extra labor, broken pipes, or damaged sensors. Dealerships love to upcharge, but even a local mechanic will hit you with parts and labor. That $2,000 bill can become reality fast. Pro tip, if your vehicle sits higher, like a truck or SUV, it's an easier target for thieves with saws. Toyota Prius? Bad news. They have converters packed with even more precious metals, so thefts on these are like a full-time job for some people. So what's the OST everyone talks about when it comes to catalytic converters? If you mean the original soundtrack, it's more like a horror movie than a banger. The sound of your engine, suddenly unmuffled, roaring through your neighborhood at 5 a.m. And yes, your neighbors will love you for it. If you're looking to prevent theft, spend $100 to $300 for a cat shield, an anti-theft cage, or at least engrave your VIN on it. A visible deterrent can make a thief choose another car parked on the block. It's a numbers game. Insurance will sometimes cover theft, but with all the deductibles and hassle, it feels more like a consolation prize. You'll still waste weeks going back and forth with adjusters, and half the time your rate goes up anyway, so it pays to protect your converter up front. If your check engine light comes on and you get an emissions code like P0420, that's catalytic converter territory. Sometimes you can get away with a cleaner in a bottle fix, but if it's toast, replacement is pretty much inevitable. Last thing, maintenance-wise, using low-quality fuel or skipping oil changes increases your odds of converter failure. Treat your engine right, and odds are your converter outlives your car payment. That's a real win in my book.